I need to be honest. I joined the business blueprint when I had my highest booking month ever. I remember joining and thinking, I just had my highest booking month. Why am I joining? But I was quickly humbled by everything that you had in store. And I remember at the beginning of 2024 thinking, how could I ever charge more than $4,000? That's crazy. And then at the end of 2024, I was thinking, how could I ever charge less than $6,000? That's
Right.
crazy. I'm going to take the metric from right before I joined the business blueprint. So I had my highest booking month. And at that time, it was about like 22,000 in bookings.
Yeah.
And I was very proud of it. But
It's amazing.
those 22,000 in bookings was 4 to 5 projects. And I recently hit that metric again, but it was 2 projects.
Crazy.
Learning through the business blueprint really helped restructure my business in a way that was sustainable, in a way that I could find that works for my schedule, which
Mhm.
obviously has been very limited. And then nurturing my art. Not only am I charging more and getting clients who have the higher budget, who are more aligned with my vision, who aren't worried about the price. They put their trust in me and they're not worried about how I'm going to perform at their wedding day because they put
Right.
their trust in me. And that's a
Yeah.
wonderful feeling. And I also only work 10 to 15 hours a week, and so it's something that's sustainable. I mean, after a day is done, I still get to make sourdough or watch period dramas. And I don't have to work until 2 in the morning. And I feel so much more relaxed
Yeah.
in my business.
And yet you're still making what you used to make.
Yeah. Actually,
Absolutely
no,
crazy.
I'm making way more. Because I remember that full year of striving, working so hard. I think I had it was around 85,000 in bookings for all of 2024.
Hmm.
And about halfway through 2025, I hit 6 figures in that.
Wow.
And so if I stopped right now, I would still have my goals met.